Hello guys, so this video is about reviewing a service called AutoKit. So it is kind of providing an automation for various platforms. So this video will be kind of series of demonstrating some automations. So in this video I'm gonna show you one automation here. So these are their plans. I mean, you can check this out and purchase as per your requirement. So yeah, I got the account access and there are workflows you can create by your own. For example, if you want to automate something like if you are adding post somewhere and it should spread to some social network automatically, that kind of stuff you can arrange over here so that you can create your own workflow. But in this video I'm not going to show you that. Instead we are focusing on these recipes. So recipes are ready-made workflows we got. So when we check recipes, by that we will understand how we can create other workflows as per our requirement. So these are the list of workflows the AutoKit provides, and I'm gonna choose one of them. So as I'm a WordPress passionate, so I'm gonna use this one, which is saying automate email campaign and social media promotion. So it should be like when I post something on WordPress, it should go to MailChimp and some other 3 services. So let's try that now. So it is automate email campaign and social media promotion. So start guide. We could do by our own, but I would like to see, this is all I'm also doing first time. I just tried to configure connecting my WordPress, but after that I thought that I should make a video so that this will be kind of a review as well, so that the product developer knows how the user experience is first time on their products. So this is kind of, it says start automation when post, create or update on the WordPress site, and then on the MailChimp it will create campaign, and then it will share that article URL to LinkedIn. Google Sheet, I don't want that. Let me remove that. Slack also delete. So as of now, what we gonna check that we will post something on my WordPress site. We will check whether it is creating a campaign on my MailChimp, and then we will check whether it is sharing the link of that article on the LinkedIn or not. So I have already connected my WordPress. It is very easy. You just need to fill out some data over here. Like first you have to connect by using create new connection. Let's try to do that from the beginning. Let me remove that. Let's see. First let's remove this. Okay. So first I will search WordPress here. Okay. Then select an event. So we will select create a or update post and select connection. So it is, again, I think I already connected my site, that's why it's displaying this site. So basically you just need to click on connect new connection, and then you have to provide your site URL, then username and application password of your site, and that's it. Then you have to just click connect, select post type. So I'm gonna select post, select post anyone, and then continue. And then once you are configured, you just need to verify that this connection is successful or not. So just try to hit this button. So basically it will try to hit an API to your site, and if it is API request is successful, then it will share some kind of result over here. So just save it. Now our post is WordPress is configured. Now let's go to this MailChimp stuff. So in the MailChimp, choose event with MailChimp. I already connected MailChimp over here, and then I will see create campaign. So when the post is created, campaign should be created on the MailChimp, and you can create connection using this create new connection button, and you just have to follow the steps over here. So let me show you if, filling up this data, and let me show you how I connected. So I think I can connect new as well. So BuntyWP demo data center, it is saying that we get this from the API key, and API key we will get it from here. So let's click here. So in the new tab I opened MailChimp, I already logged in. So it should go to API key page, but it did not. Let's try again. Okay, here we go. So just create a key over here, give the name of AutoKit test 2, and this is the key I need to copy. Done. And that API key we can paste it over here. Still we need to add a data center, so that we get from here, AutoKit test 2. So this is US 17, our data center, so we have to put that over here, and then create connect MailChimp. So it says connection is successful. Okay, and then click continue. Now campaign title, enter the title of the campaign, type add here to add data from the last step. Let's see. Okay, this is the data from the last step, but I don't want that. Just say BuntyWP auto kit. List audience. Let's see what we get. Okay, this is the list from the MailChimp. Let's go to audience. So I think I have created some kind of list over here. That is what we are seeing here. Segment tags. So let's see. Okay, we can separate tag subject, T WP AutoKit campaign, preview text, let's add whatever preview text so that we know what goes where. From name, I would say BuntyWP. From email address, pn.e90@gmail.com. To name, under the campaigns, custom to name, typically the first name audience field. Sorry about that. So under the campaign to name, I'm not sure what to add here. Use conversation, let's say yes. Folder I never created. Template, okay, these are the templates. So okay, these templates I have created in this MailChimp over here. So I think it is going to copy this template or maybe going to do something with this template. I'm not sure. So one thing I don't understand, to type tool name, let's type Bunty only. I am not sure about this step. Then continue. Configuration is done. Let's test the action. Okay, something is not good here. Let me remove this and let's connect. Internal server error, deep internal error. So I'm not sure what this is, so I think I'm not gonna use this at the moment. So if anyone seeing from the team of AutoKit, please let me know what I am doing wrong here. And now let's try to connect the LinkedIn. So let's try to configure this. I'm gonna remove this. I don't want this as I'm not able to configure this. So basically when we post on WordPress, it should go to LinkedIn. Hope LinkedIn will connect successfully. So share an article URL or text. I'm just gonna share URL, create new connection. Okay, let's just reconnect. So it will be the same process. So sorry about that. Back. Okay, so LinkedIn is connected. Continue. Then just type add here to add data from the last steps. I don't want to do that. Just add symbol content. Article URL. Now this is a bit tricky. It should share the URL of article which I post. Let's try to select this permalink here. Article link title. I'm gonna say this. Link description. Again, I will select title only because description, if I select content, we gonna see this kind of stuff, I think. So I will just select title again. Visibility to public. Let's do connections. Continue. Now I have to test this action and let's see. It's okay. Again, I am saying this. The user is not authorized to perform the action. Create. So I don't know what's going on here. Now, why the Sayali is here, I am not sure. Let's continue this. Okay, it is connected now, but this was strange here. Sayali was there. I don't know what that is, but I think now it is fine. Okay, again, let's try to take action. Okay, duplicate post. Sorry. So connection is there. It is kind of duplicate. So let's save this. And now I'm going to open my LinkedIn here. Okay, publish. Now I have to publish this connection or automation. What do we call here? And let's see what we get. So this WordPress site is this dargovi.com. Now I'm gonna add a new post here. So test auto kit. This is testing. It should go to LinkedIn and let's publish this. So it is published now. Let's see if it has shared it to LinkedIn or not. So I'm gonna go to my notification. Your post was successfully on LinkedIn from Bhargav test. Okay, I can see something. Now sample content, let's click. Okay, so that sample content is there, what we added during the configuration, and it shared the link over here on the LinkedIn. Now let me quickly remove this post. Let's make it draft. And let's do the trash. So yeah, in this video we tried to connect MailChimp, but we were not successful. But with the LinkedIn we are successful. In the next videos we will try another automations. So this is it for this video. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Purchasing link I'm gonna provide in the description section. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath. Har Har Mahadev.
Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the WPYH.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development.